Hey fan collectors out there, it's Rick here, and I know you guys have all seen this fan before, my Crest 2000 series. I got it back in February of '09, I think. I've had it for a long time. It was my first collected fan, and I've been having a lot of requests for a better quality video of this fan, showing all speeds. And I just pulled it out this morning, just switch it up with a different fan. I had my Emerson heat fan, but I wanted to just put a different one out for a while. So I got it wired up again. Here it is. You can see the stencil blades, which I really like. And I've got some tulip shades on the light kit. And it's got a pretty decent sized spinner motor and pretzel brackets, as you can see. And I've just got 3 incandescent bulbs in there. So I'll show it on all speeds in this video so you can get a better idea about how fast it goes. I really like the low speed on this fan. It's pretty much like restaurant style. And also a note about this fan, the light kit doesn't really function normally. The only way it works like it's supposed to is when the fan is on low. It's due to some strange wiring in the switch housing. Otherwise it either stalls the motor on high or medium and the light turns off when I pull the fan switch off. But if the light's off, the fan runs normally on all speeds. So I'll start with low. Step back so you can see it. I really like the really slow speed on this fan. Air movement's not real impressive, but it's better than a Heritage or something. Hums a little bit, but barely noticeable. And here's the upside down shot. So that's what it would look like if it was installed. And then while the fan's on low speed, I'll show the light kit as it works the way it's supposed to. I just have 3 25-watt bulbs in there, I think. Okay, and turn the light off, and now we'll go to medium. The medium speed's pretty much like a small spinner motor going on low. It's not that fast, but I think there's kind of an increase in air movement. It's significant. You can hear the hum. And then I'll show high speed. It's a little bit out of balance, so it does wobble a bit on that towel, but it still stays standing. You can kind of see it wobbling a little bit. Moves a decent amount of air. You can see the curtains blowing around over there. There's a tiny bit of bearing noise on high, but it's not too bad. Nice breeze. And this fan does have a reverse switch. I'll just show it. Oh, that's weird. Oh, it was loose, sorry. Yeah, the reverse switch is a little bit touchy. It has to be pushed all the way, otherwise it doesn't work. The lower reverse is super slow, which I kind of like. It hums. And then I want to show you guys the startup sound. You can't really hear it from far away, but it kind of sounds neat. I'll just pull it up to high. Almost sounds like a jet engine taking off, even though it doesn't have that big of a motor. Okay, well, hope you enjoyed. This is one of many fan videos, so there's more to come, and hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.